am not a side of anybody to start with. I'm not Monica fan. No, I was once a fan, but never, not anymore. After Monica carry on ago, Monica ye fan. Ye fan Monica. Oh, je Monica. Who carry this video go show am to Monica say that's why I talk. Oh, Gino. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the Boss Lady TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you all according to your time, according to your location, depending on any time you just come across this ogbonge suburb of face for the first time. Do me well by supporting my channel. Hit on that subscribe button, put on the notification bell, make you for dey see many of all this my ogbonge and toriwowo mama talk. Anytime I just drop am kpaka, you go just dey watch and check am, and you go be the first to watch. If you no subscribe, you no go fit dey see this suburb of face now. You no go fit dey see the toriwowo as I dey knack am. You know how I take dey play. So my darling people, hey, tori don wowo this time. Eyawa be salokwa. Wetin dey sup? Ija, I tell what when I be believe yakwase. Wetin can happen again this time, my darling people? Wahala be like pillowcase, e be like oversized breast. Hey, my people, this one na twege yawa be twekwawe na go to. This day I just come out today for inside Facebook market. Now I begin to see say market full. Now say show. E be like say Christmas so e don reach ground, so market dem make am full. Make I go see wetin dem dey sell, whether na the one go let me buy. As I reach there, belekwa, they just dey sell am one naira, one euro, 50 cents. Select and pay. Buy one, they go use 10 give you jara. Now I say show, get all this kind of thing for the shop now. Now so I take sit down and say okay, make I begin the pellet bend down boutique. Select and pay, my darling people. As I don say make you know say if you see me you buy small. Now so you go take buy rubber bag go your full. Make you go dey buy here, that one here war. The next thing I begin to say Rita, Eritoto, Yagiwa no. Rita and Felicia Gold. Hey, wahala, not the finish. Two of them matter, and I just the hot today for inside market. Now I say make I dress more, make I go see wetin dey happen. As I stretch my eye, begin dey look. I stretch leg, I stretch hand. When I dress near, then I see say, woohoo, always sapo. Now I say, hey. Wetin dey sup now? Na there they begin come dey yarn me the matter. Oh yeah, na una begin dey sit down, dey download and eat your popcorn. Let me begin dey give una the way it dey sup. So my correct people. Na so I come dey hear when Rita come dey say, yes anywhere, you wan do this, you wan do that. He say Felicia Gold, according to from beginning of the person we start am. We go play small audio for inside this story. Tori what so we go play small audio. Yeah, now make we hit am for the audio. First person wan play now. Na Felicia Gold. Oh yeah, let's go there, my darling people. Ima must be. Yeah, me will tell you from the come here now.
She come dey insult you. You come still come out. Who dey insult her yesterday? Say you know one woman. I know who dey insult her. I see that video say that they celebrate person. I go write congratulations and they celebrate.
Okay.
Now that one be insult. Did I insult her?
Alright. He say, una remember say yesterday we see am for social media say, Monica to be a binary for her. Monica, Rawa, Edo, Gibatello de Nemiga, we. Ija, why enya? Monica Rado, Gibotello de Nemiga, we. Always you queen and Jenna. Monica put up for Facebook yesterday say she dey celebrate her 16 years marriage anniversary. And me no see say the marriage anniversary. Some people really they wish a happy marriage anniversary. Why some you can't catch fire for their table? Now among the beer for catch fire now one na less so because this Felicia Gold according to her, he say he meet say the right happy marriage life everywhere where they post the pictures. Both Monica platform and people will still celebrate her. But anywhere you just see her, boy, now you begin the right congratulations. Well, give it your Monica. Where you're with them, it's okay now. But that aside, I just use that one make joke, or you can celebrate your fan, your lover, as many as you want. So you see any platform where you foresee say awari epishe Monica wa Bruce yoto boy where happy marriage 16 years anniversary. Anyway, I drop her. Congratulations, you can begin the selling, congratulations, you can begin to give them for free for his market. Oh yeah, now let's go there. He says so I see not give one. Now there, Ritoto for starts. And he said Rita, he and Anon be friends, they are cousins, they be sister. Mama tell you, or what tell you hey, oh, share web locations. I first tell them, say, when I hear her working, I not hear one ya. When I hear now, oh yeah, we'll come begin to do less than the serious this market. Oh yeah, let's go there. He say na commenters na be the problem. Commenters who a problem. He say una the commenters una high no reach. Oh yeah, na come talk the one with your high reach. What he say? Oh yeah, let's go there. Go in.
Come on social media and say that you want to confront me. You dey mad?
This na insult now.
My Jackie was waiting me for close to years. You never come. To come out and say, yeah, it's stop. Now my sister is insult. No one like me when you like Jackie, man. You never do that. Then now, because you want to get your viewers on video, then you want to start making problem with Jackie because he insulted your family. When somebody insults you and say, I'm sorry for what I did, what else do you want for that person?
To start with, now remember say this same Felicia Gold, sometime 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, everybody know that matter for this social media. When it happened between she and Iyeki, the time of it go be 3 years now. The time of the Esther Edokpayi first UK tour when they come with the Precious Society. Una remember say when Destiny matter happened that time. Now this Iyeki and Felicia Gold knock for table. When Felicia Gold come say Iyeki or Yoyo Wari hotel, una remember Abuna they forget. When two of them insult each other, come talk inside that video say Monica na so he come do Vaga boy for hotel when he come for Italy for her birthday. He can't even forget pants for inside hotel. Now she can't carry Monica pants. Hey, Saloba. Later, my darling people, now they can't settle. Now they remember the matter, so they can't settle. Okay, now it don't matter. Say you are person quarrel, now must carry the quarrel for eternity. I will settle down with Filezo because she be okay now. Today, now she can't wish her yesterday happy marriage life anniversary, happy anniversary. Now then the saga start again. We know if you just sit down here and come to play all the nyama because nyama boom my darling people. Oh yeah, make we begin later. The main person, the Iyagbe, when you get this matter, when you draw Felicia Gold leg, come out. Oh yeah, let's go there. Ritoto. Yeah, boy. He say if person offend you and he beg you, you must accept. You don't get any other choice. And really, anyway, that is the philosophy of life. When you and person get banamish, una get discudere, una get quarrel. As he say sorry, I bet you, I bomodini digwe. You don't get any. If he say sorry, you hear. Who's that get the end of your book? Udo mana kwela udo kweyo to eka ija wa weni ya wewe no yin ni moskwe because he mana kwela o yima no edo kweyo to eka wa hwe who feed them ya as far as the person you know they feed no be the clothe down no be they take care of your bills you know they take care of your responsibilities. So start with is a woman o hobo boeno ija wa my na we wa enia. Exactly. He say make she not fight for him. He said the time when he and Monica they saga that 2-3 years ago when he really need her help as a sister. Okumado binani o. He say you no come fight for Rita. He say Rita you no fight for him that time. Why how come Monica don say sorry? He don rest. Me and Monica yeah we feel less quiet. Otiku. Monica dey do congratulations to her anniversary. Everybody dey congratulate her. Wahi we no hear we do luga ya bugwe yi. Onye here seti luga. De kenana bao ewe na vie. E kenana we sorry e bari na we feel less kwa. Ezo phone mentally sister. Always so almost ewe. Or we no marry ewe. Everybody must understand. So my darling, my sister. Owe no la owo no we see ezona no we see obokere wo because ye my wo no okay wo no bi na ni e.
Don't fight for me. Don't fight for me. I'm adult.
He said don't fight for me, I am an adult, which is exactly fact. Joke in part. Okoro Igberaiti or even any normal human being, you are above 18 years, you are already an adult. Ama iwo kwaba no biene uwodo. Iya wo hama wana olelea. You cannot tell anybody, deprive them from who you want follow. If you say na this one you want follow, wait till die, you kwaba no. On one any, kwaba hinahi. Even if you senior hand, because we Edo State, you hear we I don't feel say general Nigeria, but inside Edo State, we be these Bini people, we get one character. Even the day for some families, they get one character. Say if you senior person, because of that seniority we are doing for your high one, you go to be one. You always on director we're not telling here, we're not your can be at the top of like seriously say the person not they grow, you know they matured. These are the people they will come grow, they will mature, they will marry, take wife, marry. They with man for house as husband and wife. Man go marry them or they go marry a woman, but they are still because they be your younger ones. Oh, I'm telling you, no. And that thing, I hate it. For me, I dislike that word. I know they won't make anybody. They look me like, I'm telling you, no, like say no. I don't like it because everybody they matured. Respect your younger ones, then your younger ones will give you that same respect back. You say respect is a reciprocal. Now wait till you give, you get. There is no two ways about it. I have a fear me. We have a benunu with Tony. She is an adult. She get the right to play with who she won't play with, celebrate who she won't celebrate, date with who she won't date with, which is exactly the gospel truth. I am not a side of anybody to start with. I'm not Monica fan. No. I was once a fan, but never, not anymore. After Monica carry on ago, Monica ye fan. Ye fan Monica. Oh, je Monica. Who carry this video, go show her to Monica, saying that's why I talk. Oh, Gino. So, my darling people, may we enter return to home. He say he not say anybody may come fight for him. No, no, the year.
I come out on my platform fight Monica.
Exactly.
Days ago, I come out for her. Oh, mama, I'm not settled, I'm sorry. What do you want for that person again?
Basta, niente, scusami. You don't need any other thing, exactly.
Oh, I'm sorry for what I did. You accept that person. Your family accept that person. Some of them did not accept it. Me, I love Monica. You know they understand. I love Monica.
He say on her own personally, I went to Monica Mahimi. He say she love Monica. Within her, she loves Monica. There is nothing you can do about it. And who argue maybe because of anything. He just love Monica on her own. So my darling sister Rita, even if she be your younger sister, maybe that she be younger, that she be your elder or one thing or the other, as far as not release, wanna try to settle this issue. Another person matter. You must sure suppose no says or do a 10-way social media. So my people, may we enter Rita. So yeah.
Don't give her what she wants.
Now Rita dey talk now.
You carry your body come out. You say you want
later say she wan use her build platform. He say he no go ever mention her name because he wan use her build platform la owó ta maybe ọmọ wey ya climb if ọmọ wey you wey saga no ya climb la wo give money we do wa fi here no wa we la wa ebi ya do wa be money ah since we he in we this is what she wants. She just want use you do saga to climb, to open a platform. Give her that opportunity. God give you power, give you opportunity. Don't me say only you want go eat her. If you don't know what the person wants, is a different thing. In your own case, my darling Rita, you knows what she wants. According to you, I borrow your words according to when we time. He borrow him now when we high where she needs you to just grow our platform. Why can't you just give her a minute of your time? Let her really grow the platform just the way we will. Yeah? You don't know, my darling. Even we will be these YouTubers. We all need views. We all need subscribers. We all need attention. We all need awareness. In one way or the other, just that our own side, we know the saga. We the only carry maybe IT happen. My to be my saga. Oga ti my saga. Jamais me what to tana. We saga imenia. Oku me reply we back. Awa bele ya kwa. Egani that oga they tell on ya grow. Ya grow. But my we beni mo bogi ma. So la wo goji. Wo me go tweno. Unwe go tweno. Unwe get saga gwa. Unwe talk growing. She want to grow her platform. You know she want to use your name. Just give her the space. Give her the room. The room is not made for you alone, my darling sister. Just open the platform and let her grow. You can be of help as a sister. If not tell me, oh wait, na oneru. Why you need higher? So, my people, una the year is how this matter. Many nyama days had. Many of seke days had. Many matter when you know even necessary is not called for. But I just want to pick out the important places where I just want shook mat put small. So my darling sister, these two sisters, you two and our Edo bomb, our Edo presenters. You na presenter way they come out always. Felicia God na presenter when they come out always. If there's something say your Ghana Mikiba. Where I call it your organic. So anyhow it is, my darling sister, my friend, please just let go. Monica, congratulations for her 16 years marriage anniversary. Oma said all those bini with social media. You know, Rich, when you and your sister go quarrel over, she don't already let you know right now. Say she loves Monica. Not for anything, but she just loves Monica on her own. And she's bound to love anybody. She is bound to love anybody. So that just be the matter. So my darling people, I don't want just come to play many matter. Because say even if he give her, the only one we can see talk now is shocktalize me. He say if he even give Felicia Gold platform to grow, to showcase her talent, to use him do the saga come grow. Wait till she gets upstairs when she want to give her audience. Why can't you just let her have the platform first before thinking of this? Platform now wide network. The sky is just too wide for everybody. The surface just to contain everybody. Oh, Guaya Kerry. It's just a white place. Oh, now you grow and then not organic, you know. Oh, it's even ya come my one ya. Then I have carrot in me say a white here. Just like that, everybody will still learn in one way or the other from her. And now me makeup, everybody do what they knows how to do best. When me worry now, hey yeah, I can't me now fear when me worry now. Why the other side? We have one more story remania. Here come we go na na. If I me now I fear. And I thank you all when did my back for this that Boss Lady TV. We don't let this my channel fall. We don't let this my channel become an history, and God will always answer us. So my amazing people, I love you all for your constant love and support to my channel. Without you guys, I cannot do it alone. There is no way. Oh, a tree cannot make a forest. So support me, hit on that subscribe button, put on the notification bell so you always get ogbonge matter anytime that boss lady just dey drop one like this. Now you go be the first to watch. So bye bye my darling people, share it to all of your social media platform till we see again on our next video. Bye bye.